This is my phone. This is my phone. That is your book. That is your book. This is a flower. This is a flower. This is our house. This is our house. I go to school. I go to school. She drinks water daily. She drinks water daily. We play every evening. We play every evening. He reads books daily. He reads books daily. They watch TV daily. They watch TV daily. I eat rice daily. I eat rice daily. He wakes up early. He wakes up early. I like tea morning. I like tea morning. I clean room daily. I clean room daily. I open the door. I open the door. She closed the window. She closed the window. We eat fruits daily. We eat fruits daily. We wait for bus. We wait for bus. ধন্যবাদ বন্ধুরা, এই ছিল আজকের মতো ভিডিও। যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে একটা লাইক, শেয়ার ও সাবস্ক্রাইব করো প্রতিনিয়ত নতুন নতুন স্পোকেন ইংলিশ সম্পর্কিত ভিডিও পেতে। আজকের পর্যন্ত এতটুকুই, দেখা হচ্ছে পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে। ধন্যবাদ।